Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today I'm really excited because I got my wig finally from S&S Hair. This is the wig. This is what it comes in. They give you this nice little traveling bag, and also it comes into this box like this. And on the back it gives you a nice little description of like their social media platforms and their hair length, what colors they come in, and what types of hairs that they sell. And yeah, so I'm gonna open this up. Inside is the hair, and we're gonna get more into that. They also gave me a wig cap. They gave me 2 wig caps and this beauty blender. Also, they gave me like a recommendation for other styles and a thank you note. It's 24-inch full lace wig, and I got their deep wave, which I'm really excited because with full lace wigs you have to be careful when you're styling them because the hair is more susceptible of coming out because it's literally just on a net. But the benefits is that it's more versatile, so you can part the hair anywhere and you're gonna get nothing but lace and lace and lace, which I'm excited about. And then this is what the inside looks like. Looks like that. It's a nice full lace wig. It has 4 hair combs, 2 up top and 2 on the sides. It also has straps for you to be able to adjust them with. And the lace also comes with baby hairs, and it's supposed to be pre-plucked, but I know I'm gonna have to pluck them again. Yeah, you could part this wig anywhere. It's really soft. I can run my hands through it, and it does have that wig smell, so I'm probably going to wash it before I put it on. So what I'm going to do is braid up my hair and put this on. I probably might cut the lace and just show you guys like how I'm going to style it for today. All right, we're in my bathroom now, and this is what my hair is looking like, combed out. So we are going to actually go ahead and start braiding now. Okay guys, I'm back. Hair is all braided, everything is all nice and held down. My hair over me, you know, usual stuff. Okay, next is the wig cap. So now we're gonna cut the cap, the excess. Okay, so I washed it. So this is it washed, and I also put conditioner on it so it's nice and wet, and then I kind of let it sit in front of my fan to kind of not be so dirty. So I'm just going to brush back the baby hairs. Look, this is a tiny comb and it can go right through it. This hair is really soft. Guys, for the next part, for this part here, I used the Murray's Edge Wax to lay down the baby hairs. I'm left-handed, so just beware that these baby hairs are not going to be full slayage because it's really difficult for me to do it, but yeah. If you like this video, if this video was helpful, I kind of tried to do how I do my wigs and how I set my wigs. If you found it helpful, then comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.